How to find YouTube channel ID on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up any of the web browser on a device. This process can't be followed on the YouTube app. So open up the web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type youtube.com. Now add slash. Now type account. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply enable desktop site. Now simply zoom in. Now next to your channel, simply tap on View Advanced Settings. Now next to channel ID, simply tap on the copy button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.